Hi everyone, today we are discussing about our NEET practice level second problem from the chapter electric charges and field. Two positive ions each is carrying, if ions is nothing but positive and negative, each carrying a charge that is equal to small q are separated by a distance that is equal to d. So it's nothing but plus q and minus q. So if F is the force is repulsion between them ions, because it's nothing but like charges are repelled to each other and unlike charges are attract to each other. This is unlike charges are attract to each other. So the number of electrons are missing from each ions, that is equal like a positive or negative ions from it is number of electrons are missing. We are finding that actually here number of electrons, that formula is equal to Q is equal to Ne. According to electrostatic like a Coulomb force formula, that is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q on Q2 by d square. If you can write R is equal to D. So that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2. If I am writing, that is equal to Q square. If Q1 that is equal to Q2 that is equal to Q. So that's if I am writing Q into Q, that is Q into Q by d square, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by d square. If the number of charges are inside of the conductor, how did you find Q is equal to Ne? So you want number of electrons from here, Q is equal E is equal to Q by N. So that if I am finding that missing from each ions will be, that is equal to I am finding that. So I want electrons. So that F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square is nothing but Ne, that is equal to N square E square by d square. If I am finding that, if I am writing these equations in left hand side, that is equal to F d square 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to N square and d square. So what do you want? Electrons. So that F d square 4 pi epsilon naught by N square. So now you have to write electrons, that is equal to, now finding total number of electrons, so have to write E square. Now I want to total number of electrons, that N is equal to F square and d square 4 pi epsilon naught by electron square. It is equal to square root. What is the correct options here? 4 pi epsilon naught F d square by E square, 4 pi epsilon naught F e square by d square, 4 pi epsilon naught F d square by E square, 4 pi epsilon naught F d square by Q square. What is the correct answer? 4 pi epsilon naught F square, 4 pi epsilon naught F d square, 4 pi epsilon naught by E square, where it is 4 pi epsilon naught F E square by d square. This is the correct answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.